Introducing the ultimate hard floor cleaning solution, the Hoover ONEPWR Floormate Advanced Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner. It washes and vacuums your floors at the same time and cleans and dries in one action. It cleans unexpected spills and stains, extracts dirt and debris, and the dual-edge cleaning system cleans right to the edge. Tackle big messes, little messes, and stubborn messes while remaining gentle on your floor. Clean for up to 40 minutes without recharging batteries. Separate clean and dirty water tanks mean you're always using clean water, and emptying the tank is simple. When you're finished cleaning, clean the Hoover Floormate with the touch of a button. No mess, no fuss. And you can use the same battery in all of Hoover's ONEPWR cordless products. Effortlessly get the results you want with the Hoover ONEPWR Floormate Advanced Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner.